Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change your password on your iPhone. So the first thing that we're going to do is I need to let you know that you can't really change your password without knowing the previous password. If you want to set a new password, you're just going to need to reset your phone. So if you do know your password, what you're going to do is go to Settings, scroll down to the Face ID and Passcode section, press on that. Here you're going to enter your password, and here you have a few options. So you can scroll down and press Change Passcode. Once again, you're going to have to enter the current passcode, and here is where you enter the new one. So you can change it to, for example, 4 digits, 6 digit, custom numeric code, or custom alphanumeric code, which means that you can use letters and numbers. So just select the option that you want, type in that passcode. I'm gonna press use anyway. So just type in the passcode, type it once more to verify that you've typed it in properly. And that's pretty much it. It should have worked. So let's check. And there we go. Now I entered the new passcode and it works. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.